Good afternoon, dear friends. Let's welcome, in fact, I'd just like to welcome you to the character sketch of The Bachelor of Arts by R.K. Narayan. Now, as you already know, in my previous class, I mentioned you about that Chandran is the protagonist, the main character of this novel. And let's have a deep insight into what exactly he wants to say in this, in which way R.K. Narayan has depicted his character in The Bachelor of Arts. Chandran is the final year student of BA History in Albert Mission College, Malgudi. He is a protagonist and the hero of the novel, the son of a retired district judge. He has a younger brother, Sinu, and lives in a lowly extension with his parents. So Malgudi, you already know, is invented fictional place which was invented by R.K. Narayan, and this is basically depicted. This place is frequently mentioned in the novels. There has been a serial also on Doordarshan years back, Malgudi Days. So the lives and incidents that happened in Malgudi. Now, in times of difficulties, whether it is with his studies or his marriage, Chandran approaches his father for help and guidance. He never misses to share his joys of achievements and failings with his father. He is equally attached to his mother also. When he is not able to marry Malathi, the young girl with whom he falls in love during the college times, he loses all interest in life, and then he, for a time being, turns to a sage, subjecting himself to severe and soul-searching examination. He finally marries Sushila, chosen by his parents. Now, Chandran, being a good student in the college also, we will discuss a bit about his college life too, because he is in the final year of the Bachelor of Arts in Albert Mission College. So, he is asked to be the prime mover of the college union debate by the secretary, Nathan, and move the topic that historians must be slaughtered first. Now, he is terribly upset to talk against the historians, but the union secretary convinces him that he will not invite his professor in this debate. So the principal, Mr. Brown of Albert Mission College, is being invited to open the debate. Chandran makes a spirited plea for the annihilation of the historians, and he becomes happy with the outcome of this debate, and he celebrates his success by going to cinema with his friend Ramu. Now, Ramu is a fictionalized portrait of R.K. Narayan, and he was in fact a constant friend of Narayan. His name was Ramachandra Rao during his college time. So here, in fact, he has taken his friend and he has used as a character in The Bachelor of Arts. Now, Ramu was a short young man. He was with thick lenses and a gift of laughter, with whom he would attend classes, smoke, drink afternoon coffee, and take long walks. Chandran, as the secretary of the Historical Association, convenes the inaugural function and manages to arrange subsequent meetings of the association. He prepares hard for his final BA examination and becomes a Bachelor of Arts. Finally, he becomes. So the title of the novel is The Bachelor of Arts. Then he plans to go to England for higher studies, but he soon gets balked by his infatuation for a young girl, Malathi. So this is an ordinary story that you already know what goes ahead. He expresses his desire for marrying Malathi, and the process is being initiated through their family astrologer. An error occurs during all this process, and in the matching of the horoscope, and finally it doesn't materialize, the proposal. So Chandran becomes so low, and so he is forlorn that he feels as if he has lost everything, and he is completely under depression. So with the help of a Baba, actually at Kalpeshwar temple tank, Chandran turns to a sage. So for the time being, the phases of life that happens, and for the moment he turns into a sage. Now, after some time, he decides to return to his parents, and he sets up his office in the Market Road, and as an agent for the Daily Messenger through his father's support. So soon he marries Sushila with the wishes of his parents. So we can say that Chandran was an ordinary youth residing in an ordinary place and deals with ordinary situations and circumstances. So, the life of Chandran, the character of Chandran that has been depicted in The Bachelor of Arts, I feel is a story of any ordinary man that happens, go through in life. So, R.K. Narayan basically is known for memorable depiction of people and incidents, people with small oddities and great eccentricities. So this is basically a psychic study of the character of youth named Chandran, and of course, what goes on in the lives, in the mind, in the life of a young boy. So this is basically depiction of that. Thank you so much.